Unlocking the secrets of original recipe in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, original recipe. This term is more than just about cooking. It's a window into culture, history, and language. Let's dive in and uncover its layers. The phrase, original recipe, typically refers to the very first version of a recipe, the way it was created before any changes or adaptations. This term is often associated with traditional dishes, indicating that the food is made using the same ingredients and methods as it was originally. For example, when you hear about an original recipe for a cake, it means the cake is made following the exact method and ingredients used when the cake was first created, possibly decades or even centuries ago. Original recipe isn't just about food. It's a bridge to our past. It represents heritage, authenticity, and tradition. When a dish is made using the original recipe, it's like taking a culinary journey back in time. It's a way of preserving and celebrating cultural identity. In many cultures, passing down these recipes from generation to generation is seen as an important way to keep connections to one's roots and history. In English, the term original recipe can be used metaphorically as well. It might refer to the original way of doing anything, not just cooking. For example, he's using the original recipe to make his pottery, implies that the potter is using traditional methods. The word original is key here. It signifies authenticity and untouched quality, something that has remained unchanged over time. I hope this video has helped you understand the rich meaning behind original recipe. It's a phrase that connects us to our past and celebrates the authenticity of traditions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and history they carry. Until our next lesson, keep exploring and enjoying the journey of English language learning.